Ecuador's turn to address the International Court of Justice over an ongoing diplomatic dispute with Mexico. It didn't take long for Quito's legal team to defend the actions of its country's security forces regarding the raid on Mexico's embassy last month. Mexico has accused Ecuador of violating international law and has called on Ecuador to guarantee the security and protection of the Mexican embassy in Quito.
Mr. President, this hearing is unnecessary and unjustified because Ecuador has already provided assurances of its own volition, both to Mexico and to this court, that it will respect and protect the premises of Mexico diplomatic mission in Quito, together with its property and archives in full accordance with international law.
The lawyers also said the intrusion into the Mexican embassy was done solely for the purpose of detaining Jorge Glas, Ecuador's former vice president, who was evading arrest over corruption charges. In a separate lawsuit filed before the ICJ, Ecuador is accusing Mexico of violating international law for protecting a fugitive after Mexico granted Glas political asylum.
It is abundantly clear that Ecuador's sole concern, the entire time, was to ensure that a person convicted for serious corruption offenses be brought back to justice. That has now been done. It is also evident that the incident of April 5 cannot be fully appreciated without taking into consideration Mexico's highly regrettable conduct.
The raid on Mexico's embassy prompted condemnation from several Latin American leaders. Though it could be months before a final ruling is issued, Mexican lawyers at The Hague have asked the World Court to award reparations to Mexico and to suspend Ecuador from the United Nations. Manuel, Rapalo, Al Jazeera.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.